is linear regression model. This is Lasso regression model, rigid regression model, have elastic net regression model. So hey everyone, welcome back to day 11. So as you have seen in day 10, we have completed our first machine learning algorithm, which was linear regression and multiple linear regression, and then we have created few sample models for testing. Now today we are going to learn new machine learning algorithm, which is rigid lasso and elastic net. So it's another machine learning algorithm inside supervised learning, which will be used for creating few more machine learning machine learning models. So now this section is of around 2 hours, so we need to complete this. So let's complete this. Okay, so now we just finished the theoretical lectures of rigid lasso and elastic net. Now it's time for the first machine learning model to build using that. So for this, we are gonna use a data set called Algerian forest fries. I hope I spelled it properly. Okay, so we are gonna use that. We are gonna take that data set, clean the data set, and then perform EDA and feature engineering, then feature selection, and then we start with the model training. And then after that, we're gonna start with hyperparameters tuning of that. Okay, so this this is the dataset which we are gonna use. So it contains, I don't know, more than around 100, I guess. Yep, around, I don't know, I haven't started yet. So we are gonna start performing. And 159 by NB. So we are gonna use a Jupyter notebook for this kind of things. So everybody know Jupyter is the best one to use all this. So we created, okay, 70. Okay, don't go through my files, guys. Don't. Okay, so model training rigid. So we are not gonna open this or use this. So we don't need this. We need this one, which will be here. So yep. Okay, it has around 244 records. So yep, 244. So yeah, let's start performing EDA. Let's go. So just now finished EDA and feature engineering on the data set. So now it's time for us to start building the model. So now we are going to start building our machine learning model for performing those ML algorithm. So let's go. So we have finally completed our rigid lasso and elastic net models. So this is linear regression model. This is lasso regression model, and this is the how the outcome is. And this is rigid regression model, and how this is how the outcome of the data set which we used. And then we have elastic net regression model, and this is how. So these are the different outputs for the same data set using different models. This is because each model uses different kind of classification. So, and mostly these rigid lasso models and elastic net, they are used to overcome overfitting and underfitting. So to reduce those things, we use this model, or else mostly linear regression model is better. I mean, till now, what I have learned. So, yep. So that's it for this video. We have completed like total four machine learning algorithms. So now I'll just start practicing all this. So next day, I mean the next video in which we are just gonna practice all those things. So no more completing lectures after this. So we'll just focus on practice. So now five videos will be like for practice session. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe this channel and follow this journey. We'll meet you in the next day. Till then, everybody, take care. Bye bye.